Wood lives, outlives, outlasts. Even after a tree is felled, it continues to retract, shrink, swell. No matter how many rings it counts, wood lives only once. Once for you to read every grain and fiber. Once to cherish its knots and twists. Once to feel the warmth of the wood. Only once. That's fragile. That's why we believe wood deserves the best protection. Wood deserves the power of Rubio Monocoat, the power of one application. One time to save time, so you gain time. One time to give back to Mother Nature. One time to get the perfect touch for your touch of creativity. That's why Rubio Monocoat is the one for your wooden creations, the one for you. Rubio Monocoat, the power of one.